Anniston's history reflects a microcosm of industrial America, shaped by extremes of growth and decay. The blend of steel and contamination casts a long shadow over its future. As the city grapples with its troubled past, community leaders strive to foster resilience, hoping that healing can begin through collaboration and renewed investment in its people. Yet, the scars run deep, and the journey toward recovery faces steep challenges. The real test for Anniston will be whether it can transform its burdens into opportunities for change, encouraging the community to rise anew. Across the streets of Anniston, the echoes of a bustling industrial past linger, yet the quiet fear of its current reality is palpable. Community programs designed to empower the youth and provide skills training have begun to take root, offering glimmers of hope to a generation caught between hardship and potential. Despite the scars of pollution and crime, the spirit of resilience persists, with local organizations uniting to advocate for environmental justice and safety. Conversations about redevelopment spark hope, intertwining the legacies of the past with visions for a cleaner, safer future. Each initiative, no matter how small, represents a step away from the shadows that once engulfed this community. The story of Anniston is not just about industry and contamination, it's also about the power of community and collective action. As citizens come together, they organize town hall meetings, seeking solutions and support for their neighbors. These gatherings serve as safe spaces for sharing experiences, fostering connections, and mobilizing resources. Nearby schools have stepped up efforts, incorporating environmental education in the curriculum to ensure that young minds understand the importance of sustainability. The generation rising in Anniston is determined to change the narrative, forging a pathway to a healthier, more promising future. While challenges remain, the resilience within this community is evident in the dedication of its residents to confront both their legacy and their future with unwavering courage. Building bridges of understanding and collaboration, they strive to ensure their story is one of hope rather than despair, embodying the belief that progress is possible despite the odds stacked against them. As the sun sets over Anniston, the community holds its breath, hopeful yet wary of what tomorrow may bring. Local murals depicting the city's rich history serve as vibrant backdrops to community gardens that bring fresh produce to tables that once struggled to find sustenance. Each seed planted represents a promise of renewal, a commitment to nurture both the land and the people who call Anniston home. Anniston stands at a crossroads, its residents navigating the remnants of a challenging past while embracing the possibilities of a brighter tomorrow. Ultimately, the journey of Anniston is a testament to the resilience of its people, who refuse to be defined solely by their struggles. With each passing day, they work to rewrite their narrative, turning adversity into strength, and envisioning a future brightened by hope and community empowerment.